No mountains, no valleys, no time, no space. Siyempre, yung may pa-surprise ang mga students. At gugulatin si Sir at si Ma'am. Yung nakapatay lahat ng ilaw. Kahit tanghali pa naman. Tapos pagdating ni teacher, sisigaw lahat ng Happy Teacher's Day! Siyempre, may balloons, banderitas, confetti, foods, cakes, pansit, pizza, chocolates, stuffed toys, at flowers. With thank you note from students. Siyempre, hindi rin mawawala yung iyakan, kantsawan, kwentuhan, at kasiyahan. Party, party! Tapos tutunog yung theme song ng Teacher's Day. Yung Thanks to You by Tyler Collins. Thank you for teaching me how to love. How to love? O hindi kaya yung Salamat by Yeng Constantino? Ang awiting ito'y alay sa'yo. At kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi. Salamat. Yun ba yun? Yung mag-iimot-imutan si teacher. At saka yung students magdadrama din. Yung may pa-sing and dance number with speech and spoken poetry. Yung may sorry po dahil maingay at makukulit po kami. Thank you po sa pagtuturo at pagtitiis sa amin. Tapos magsasalita din si teacher. At iiyak yung mga students. Siyempre, pagkatapos lahat ng mga yon, back to normal ulit. The end. Bye. Ako po si Super Kaloy. Isa pong pagpupugay sa lahat ng huwarang guro. Happy World Teacher's Day! Thanks to you.